probably seen the ads promising a mouse-free home without traps, poison, or mess. But does Sofyre Mouse Repellent Pouches actually work? Or is it just another internet gimmick in 2025? In this honest review, I tested Sofyre exactly as advertised, using their peppermint, cinnamon, and cedarwood oil pouches that claim to naturally repel mice and rats. And after following all instructions, placing the pouches step by step in key areas like kitchens, storage spaces, and entry points, the results were mixed and honestly confusing. The smell is definitely strong and noticeable, which may discourage rodents temporarily, but it didn't completely solve the issue, especially in areas where activity was heavy or long-term, and compared to the bold promises on Sofyre.com, the performance didn't feel as set it and forget it as the pouches are easy to use and chemical-free, which is a plus if you want to avoid toxic products around pets or children. But relying on scent alone seems unreliable for serious infestations, since any effect appears mild, inconsistent, and temporary at best. What stood out most was how the website presents this as a near-guaranteed solution. Yet there's little real-world evidence or data showing long-term success, making it hard to trust the dramatic claims. It doesn't feel like a total scam. You do receive a real product and it smells exactly as described, but it also doesn't deliver the level of protection the ads imply, especially if you're expecting a magic bullet against rodents. In 2025, Sofyre Mouse Repellent Pouches seem more like a minor deterrent than a true solution, useful only as a small part of a broader pest control strategy rather than a replacement for proven methods. So, before buying, understand that you're getting a natural scent-based repellent with limited effectiveness, not a guaranteed mouse removal system, and that difference matters a lot when your home is on the line.